So, just a small maintenance video. I noticed my chain on my W650 had a bit much of a slack. Yeah, put your bike on the center stand and then you spin the wheel and check the chain where it has the least slack. Pressing down on the chain and then pressing up and measure the 2 points. Check in your manual what chain slack your bike's supposed to have. And yeah, then you take out the cutter pin, I think it's called. Then you loosen the axle nut with the wrench on either side. Then you take a wrench to loosen the lock nut for the adjustment. And once that loosened, you move your back wheel backward or forward with the 2 adjuster nuts, one on each side. On the axle or swing arm you have those marks to check, so you have the marks lined up the same on both the left and the right side so that your wheel are aligned. And yeah, then check again and see how it is with the chain slack. And if you need to adjust again, just do that, or if you have tightened it too much, you can move it forward again by just tightening the adjustment nut and then kicking a bit on the wheel to move it forward. Once you're happy with the amount of slack on the chain, just tighten the 2 lock nuts again for the adjustments and then loosely tighten the axle nuts. And before tightening them fully, you spin the wheels and you press the back brake. And this is to align the drum brake, if your bike have a drum brake. Yeah, then tighten the axle nuts fully and place the cutter pin back on the nut and spread the pins.